We are at 2262 Alanhurst Drive. This property is in the heart of Green Valley. In Henderson, Nevada. We're like 5 minutes from Las Vegas. This property does have 3 bedrooms, 3 baths.
This single-story home is 2,500 square feet with an open floor plan, but it also has a formal living and dining room section.
This property has remodeled kitchen and bathrooms. I can't wait to show you, so we're gonna jump right in. Like that pool, it's great for your family. It does have the gate here. This gate is actually removable, so when the kids get bigger and learn how to swim, you could just remove the fence, which is great. It's a great entertainment area, and it does have beautiful plantation shutters throughout the house.
This home is located in an HOA with a low HOA of $22. We're nearby Target, Smith's, right off Horizon Ridge, and also the Green Valley District, where there's lots of restaurants and a lot of entertainment there too.
So this is a great house. We're gonna go ahead and recap. This property has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a great inside open floor plan, and a beautiful pool. If you guys wanna know anything about this property or anything else, our information is down below. You can call us, text us, email us, however you wanna get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.